Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to find these double integrals. So we need to reverse the order in here because we don't have the formula to find this integration. Now we need to find the bounds of the x dy about x that is greater than or equals to arcsin of y and smaller than or equals to b over 2 about dy. So y is greater than or equals to number 0 and smaller than or equals to number 1. So we need to graph about this one. So the graph should be like this. And then we know that x is greater than or equal to arcsin of y. So that is about this one. And smaller than b over 2. That is about this one. About y, that is from 0 to number 1. So the region we need to focus that is about this one. Now because we change the x dy, so we need to find the new bounds of dy dx. So here is about y. So we see that x equal to arcsin of y. If we put sine for the both sides, we have sine x equals to y. So y in here, that is greater than or equals to number 0 and smaller than or equal to sine x. About dx, that is about this one. So in here, we start at from 0 and we stop at b over 2. And this is the new bounds of dy dx. So dy, that is this one. Dx, that is this one. So the integration of dy, we don't have y, so you got about y in here. So we put cosine x going here, number 0 going here. Oh sorry, sine x, not cosine. So we put sine x going here. And we have sine x. This one, you got number 0, so that's why we just have only sine x. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to the square root of 1 plus cosine s square. Later that, we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have 2u. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. This one that is about negative number 2 cosine s sine s ds. Next, we divide both sides by negative number 2. Next, we need to change the bounds. So when s equals to number 0, we put number 0 gone here. So we can find the value of u. When s equals to b over 2, so we put b over 2 gone here. So u equals to number 1. And now we have the new integration. Number 0 we change for the square root of number 2. This one we change for number 1. The square root we change for u. Sine s cosine s ds we change for negative u du. So we have like this. So u and u, we have u square. The integration of this one, we have u to the power of 3 over 3. And then we put the bounds from the square root of number 2 to number 1. So I will put number 1 gone here, the square root of number 2 gone here. So we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.